Alright, so we are on the back side of our rig. We've got a whole bunch of people over here, our group, and some extras. We've got Babs, Frugal, and C-Dub, and then all of our group. We're having a potluck tonight. And this is going to be our last potluck with our group for a while, and we'll explain in just a minute.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
So
It's an early one.
It's very early. It's 6 o'clock. We've been up.
Several hours.
Yeah,
Many hours.
We've been up since 2:30. So as you can see, it's dark out, and
The truck is running.
yeah. So last night we had a barbecue, and it was not a barbecue. Well, we had a barbecue, but we had a potluck with all our friends around, and this
Our
morning,
tribe, as everybody calls it.
I'm having a little bit of a hard time here.
Yeah. So it's kind of bittersweet. We're heading back to Washington. Terry's dad is not doing all that well. He wanted to see Terry, so we're gonna try to spend the next 4 days. We're gonna not so much push it, but we are gonna push it to get back home to the beautiful cold weather. It's bittersweet.
Cold.
It's been great down here with our friends, which are really our family.
Very hard to leave our family down here.
Yeah.
You travel 3 years with people, and they become your family, and it's been really hard for the last 12 hours to think about leaving all these guys.
Yeah, it came kind of all of a sudden.
Yeah. So I promised my dad that if he wanted me to come home, I would come home, and my mom texted me yesterday morning and said my dad wanted to see me. So I talked to him a little bit last night, and I told him I'd be there. So that's what we're doing. Very, very hard, but I need to do it. He's my dad, so
Absolutely.
most important thing.
So hopefully you have a little bit of a nice ride home.
Yeah.
We can show you what's going on all over again.
And we're going to try to film, as much as we can when we're at home. I just would ask that, if you guys are subscribed and you've been with us, if you just stick with us, we'll try to film as much as we can, but I'm going to spend a lot of time with my dad, so
Maybe I'll go out and try doing some crazy filming
stuff. So yeah.
I'll show you wintertime in Washington.
Yeah. And
the rain.
I want to do a little shout out to Totally Kathy. She really was here for me yesterday. Even with all my friends here, she got on the phone with me and we did some prayer, and it really helps.
Another
Thank you,
awesome
Kathy.
friend. Thanks, Kathy.
Amazing friend. And everybody here is amazing too. They've all just tried to lift us up and give us good wishes getting home, and promise they would take care of Aj. We've traveled for 3 years with Aja, and it's hard to leave her behind.
Yep.
And know that we're not really sure when we'll be back out here. So anyways, it's all new to us. We don't know how things are going to roll once we get back home, but we'll let you guys know. And
we'll leave it up to you guys also to take care of our friends while we're not around.
Yeah.
In your comments and
thank
everything.
you guys. I know that there are continuous prayers for my father and our family, and I appreciate it so much. We get comments and we get emails, and I get all kinds of little texts and stuff of people that are continuing to pray for him. So thank you guys. That means a lot to us. So anyways, I'm going to turn the camera off because I feel like bawling.
I think I have a tear in my eye too. I know I do.
So anyways, when it lightens up a little bit, we'll show you guys some scenery and stuff. So anyways, we love you guys. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Well, you guys can't see, but we've got all of our friends here saying goodbye. Love you, Linda.
I'm not going to do that again.
Take care of these kids.
I love you.
Okay.
Thanks for being there. You'll be okay.
Be safe out here. I know. I'll call you.
There we go.
Okay.
I know. I
Please
love
do.
you. Love you, Aj.
Anything.
I'll call.
Okay, everybody
Okay.
clear?
So, you guys can't see anything, but Jay's with us. And we have offered to, we've asked Jay if he wants to go home with us. Bye, Linda. I love you.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Aj. I love you. Love you, Dave. So, yeah, you guys can't see anything at all.
Mhm.
Oh, I guess I still have you guys on this side of the
Oh,
camera.
bouncy,
Ooh. We have offered, I went up and talked to Jay this morning, and we told him he is more than welcome to come home with us to Washington. I don't know what he'll decide, but we wanted to give him that option. It was very much a spur of the moment decision to go home last night. So he wasn't supposed to go home for another, what, 15 days?
No, I think he has to go home soon because I thought he said he was
okay.
running low on his.
Anyways, Jay's become part of Scotty and I's family, you know. So, anyways, that will be his decision if he wants to do that or not, but we have offered that, so. Alright, you guys can't see a darn thing. I'm talking in the dark, so
And I hope I can find out how to get out of here.
Yeah, just keep going straight. Alright, we'll see you guys when it lightens up. Alright, well, there goes Jay. Jay decided that he was going to go ahead and just head on home. Unfortunately, it did cut his vacation just a little short, too. He was going to be out here a little bit longer, a couple more weeks with us. And like I said, we offered for him to come back home with us, but he's got some things he wants to take care of at home, so we'll miss you, Jay.
Miss you lots.
And hopefully you'll be able to get back out here next year with us. Alright, we're heading to Parker, then Havasu, and we're still, I don't know, we're still trying to figure out which way to go. We kind of want to avoid California.
Yeah.
But it might be the better route because the other route that we are looking at, they have chances of snow this evening in the passes, so we're just not really sure which way to go yet. We haven't had a whole lot of time to think about it, so we'll figure it out though.
Yes, we will. Goodbye to the laundromat.
Yeah, till next year, maybe. Not sure if we're gonna come back here next year. Haven't decided yet. Well, we made it to Parker, and we are going to turn in here to the Blue Water Casino, not to go in here and stay or do anything. We heard that one of our really good friends is here, and so we're going to just drive down here, see if they're here, so we can say hello and goodbye to them so we don't miss them this year. Some of you guys might remember Pam and Paul. They had Ryder, the dog that had the goggles on last year. So cute. But Pam is one of my dear friends. I don't get to talk to her as much as I'd like to, but we try to stay in touch. And she called me the other day and I wasn't able to return her call, so we'll surprise her. I'm thinking that she's still here. That's what somebody had told me, so we're gonna go down here and see if we can find him. Well, I'm a little bit more composed now that the sun has come up and we've had a little bit of time to get back on the road. I was just telling you guys we were at the casino. We were looking for our friends and they weren't here, so we decided to call them before we left the actual parking area.
And lo and behold,
They're here.
they have a different rig.
Yeah. So, we're gonna go down and see them. I'm very happy that we stopped to do it. We're only gonna stay for about 5 minutes or so. Just a quick hug and hello, and then we gotta get back on the road. So, okay, we'll see you guys in just a minute. I don't know.
Oh, there she is over there.
Oh, where?
Waving.
Oh, there she is.
Oh, they must have got a big old fifth wheel.
They did get a fifth wheel. Look at that. Fox Mountain.
I'm pretty sure that's theirs. Oh, yeah.
She's going to kill me for taking video of her. There's my girl. Pam is the funnest person ever to be around. Oh, look at that beauty.
Wow.
Sweet.
Beautiful looking.
I know you're going to kill me for filming. Do you guys remember Pam?
I missed you guys so much.
Right around
Well, because you were looking for a truck camper.
I know. And I'm like,
This our new
Awesome,
baby.
awesome.
Very nice. Right on.
It's just
Okay, let me get out here.
It's 27:11.
Okay, do you guys, I think you guys will remember Pam. They had,
guys.
tell us what your other rig was.
It was a Cirrus truck camper
Yeah, that's right.
made by New Camp, and we just sold it to a retired law enforcement officer out of Martinez, I believe.
Wow.
And he's really excited, and we're so
Yeah.
glad it went to somebody.
Right.
yeah.
Wow, this
Even
is
after all
really
this,
nice.
I still miss the truck camper.
Yeah.
This is
This
sweet.
is really,
Yeah.
you guys can't get a
Did
very
you
good
get rid
view
of
of
the
that,
little,
but very
go behind
pretty.
thing?
Okay,
did.
guys,
Yeah,
I'm going to
did,
visit
yeah.
with my girlfriend and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey, hang on, Ryder. Hang on, hang on.
toes.
I know. Ryder's very excited to see us. Hi,
my
sweetheart. Hi, baby. Hi. I was telling them that Ryder was the one with the big goggles on.
Yes.
Okay, obey. Obey. He's a big boy.
And he misses
But he's so
everybody.
cute.
He misses everybody.
I
Don't get in
know.
trouble.
I know.
Good boy.
Hi, sweetie
Well, how do
pie.
you-
Hi. Oh, you are the sweetest guy ever. Yes, you
I
are.
drove all the way from
Yes.
Vegas.
Did ya?
Last 20 minutes he picked it up because my leg was starting to cramp a little bit.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, I towed it all the way from Vegas.
See, and this
You
is the
towed?
nice
I
size.
did.
Right
I
on.
don't even feel it.
Yeah.
Because it's, I mean,
It's so easy to tow,
one
also.
ton
Yeah. Very
does
cool.
anything. So, yeah.
Nice.
Okay.
Well, it's so fun to see our friends.
And their nice new rig.
Yeah, she just got up, so I did not, well, I don't know if she just got up, but she was not expecting guests. So I walked in her rig, and I'll tell you what, that is the nicest layout. Fox Mountain. It's a 27-footer, and the layout is beautiful
Yeah.
in there. She's got an island kitchen and everything. That's what I fell in love with. So that made me feel better to see a good friend. So anyways, I think our destination is Reno today. We're not 100% sure on that.
Well, I don't want to change things, but
Oh.
talking to Paul, he suggested that we do Bakersfield and do the I-5 right from there
Okay.
because of the mountain.
If you've been with us long enough, you know we've been in Bakersfield before.
Yeah, they
Right
helped us
after-
out a lot
Yeah,
there.
right after the wreck, we ended up in Bakersfield. So, okay, I don't know. Wherever we go, you guys will go with us.
I-5 bound now.
All right.
Oh, now we're going to Havasu.
Yeah, I'm not
get some
gonna
fuel.
film through Havasu and all of that. I've filmed so many times through there, so if you want to see those areas, you can go back and have to watch some other videos. So, all right, we'll see you guys at a different area.
Somewhere.
Look at those, are all bees.
Happy honeybees.
Happy honeybees. It's pretty cool. There were 2 truckloads. Well, I don't have any clue where we're at.
We're in the middle of nowhere land.
Yeah, beautiful mountain range though. Really pretty.
Well, we're on 40 West.
40 West is what Scotty just said.